Okay, so we're over at Will's house. Here's his pulling tractor. Check out those 2612 Dick C-Fix. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, so here's the yeah. Let's just take a moment to like. How long has it been since you started it, Will?
About a month.
Month-long cold start. Do you want to roll it out first?
Well, I can start it in here.
Do you want to roll it out first? I guess we're not rolling it out first. Okay. Month-long cold start. Uh-oh.
Scott. That doesn't make any sense.
Alright.
Scott Rankin is an idiot. Just kidding.
He's got to use second because in third it stalls. Oh yeah.